Can you guys believe this? 128 gigabytes of RAM. Let me repeat that. 128 gigabytes of RAM. But it's sitting right here inside a 13-inch tablet that is razor thin. Seriously, ASUS has absolutely lost their minds this year, in the best way possible, with the ROG Flow Z13 2025 edition. This isn't just a gaming laptop hybrid anymore, this is literally a portable space station. Today, join me as we dissect this beast to see if the new AMD Ryzen AI MAX Plus 395 chip, combined with this insane amount of memory, can actually deliver the goods. Can it destroy a traditional desktop PC? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the flow philosophy. The thing I love most about the Z13 line has always been its insane versatility. Look at this. Normally, it's a powerful laptop with a premium RGB keyboard, but with just a snap, you detach the keyboard, toss it aside, and boom, it transforms into the world's most powerful Windows 11 Pro tablet. Check out this kickstand on the back. It opens up to 170 degrees. What does that mean for you? It means you can lay it almost flat to draw or sketch, or stand it up to connect a controller and game anywhere. Whether you're on a cramped airplane tray table, a tiny coffee shop desk, or just lounging on the couch, the ROG Flow Z13 handles every scenario. And the most important part, it is incredibly light. I'm holding it with one hand, no problem. This is the definition of game on the go. Okay, let's get to the main event, the specs. This is the part that literally gave me goosebumps. The heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen AI MAX Plus 395. Just hearing Max Plus sounds legitimate, right? It packs 16 processing cores and an integrated 50 TOPS NPU for AI tasks. But the real moneymaker is right here. 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,000 megahertz. Now, a lot of you might ask, are you crazy? Why does a tablet need 128 gigabytes of RAM? But hold on, this uses unified memory architecture with a quad-channel design. This means that 128 gigabytes isn't just for the CPU, it is shared directly with the integrated RDNA 3.5 graphics. The result? You get an integrated GPU that is stronger than we've ever seen before, with massive VRAM and huge bandwidths. You can render 4K video, run virtual machines, or play AAA games at 2.5K resolution without ever worrying about memory bottlenecks or stuttering. This kind of power used to be exclusive to massive desktop towers, and now it fits in the palm of my hand. Power is nothing without a good view. The screen on this 2025 Z13 features the ROG Nebula display. The specs are top tier. It's 13 inches with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical space for work. The resolution is a crisp 2.5K, but what I love the most is the 180 Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time. For those of you who play CS2 or Valorant, just look at this motion. It is butter smooth. And the colors? It's PANTONE validated and covers 100% of the DCI-3 color space. So if you're a content creator doing color grading or graphic design, this display is totally reliable. So, how do you shove this much power into a chassis this thin without it melting? ASUS is using a vapor chamber combined with liquid metal thermal compound. I've been pushing this thing hard for a while now, and while it does get warm, the fans are surprisingly quiet. ASUS calls this whisper quiet power. You can sit in a library or a meeting room without sounding like a jet engine taking off. Oh, and don't forget, this is a legitimate Copilot Plus PC, thanks to that powerful NPU. AI features and windows run locally on the device, lightning fast, helping you summarize documents or edit photos automatically without needing an internet connection. To wrap this up, who is the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 actually for? It's not for the average user. It's for the hardcore enthusiasts. It's for people who demand absolute perfection. Ultimate power meets ultimate portability. With 128 gigabytes of RAM in the Ryzen AI MAX Plus chip, I honestly believe this machine is future-proof for at least the next 4 to 5 years. You buy it once, and you're set for a long time. What do you guys think about this super tablet? Is the price tag worth this monster configuration? Let me know in the comments below.
And if you're interested and want to grab one early with the best deal available, don't forget to click the link I've dropped right down there in the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next tech review. Peace out.